So this is the cathode ray tube. So we've got red and black wires that go into about 300 volts DC, and we've got two blue wires which go into the 6.3 volts. And if you look really closely inside, you can see there's a little orange light, and when I turn that 6.3 volts off, that little light goes off. And so in order to be able to attract electrons off that piece of metal, it's got to be heated, and so that's the purpose of that 6.3 volts. And then essentially we're trying to attract the electrons from this end all the way through here, and then they get fired onto this phosphorescent screen. And so what we do is we turn on this, and so that's about 250 volts, and we can see a little green dot there. If I turn the lights off a bit, then it's a bit more obvious. Actually, in this video it appears like it's shaking a little bit. If we then connect the yellow and white wires to the power supply and then turn it on, we can see that we can cause a force, and so you can use F equals EQ there, and if you change the polarity, then it'll move the opposite direction, and that's what we see. So you've got negative electrons, and so then they can predict the direction of the electric field between those two plates. Then when you get to electromagnetism, you can use a magnet, and you've got electrons coming towards you. So that's the cause, which is your thumb,